Ooh, I like this diagonal layout. It's kind of hard to tell what's going on here, but that is a red bra over a shirt with a scarf over that that kind of blends into the shirt. And it looks like I gave myself more earrings than holes in my ears. So that'll be fun. This is the look. It's like sunshine on a gray day, and then you got stabbed and you're bleeding out. Um, these are house slippers, by the way. I feel like they almost pass as shoes. And I just put in one of each earring. These ones are sparkly, but they don't even really show up. Like they're kind of fancier, but these ones look fancier. So anyway, let's start with not wearing underwear as outerwear, even though I do like the pop of color, so I have an idea. I swapped out the bra for my favorite gigantic red necklace, and when you have dangly earrings and a scarf all up on your neck, they don't really play nice together, so I opted to style the scarf more as like a shawl, which I kind of like with this neckline here with the necklace. And I did choose the sparkly ones. They kind of act as a fringe and they're not really that sparkly, which goes better with my flannel and corduroy here. Um, and then I did try regular shoes, but I actually prefer my house slippers. So this is my look. And I also tucked in the shirt just to sort of clean it up a little. I guess I would wear this around my house since I don't have real shoes on. I'm going to declare regular me as the winner of this outfit, but let me know in the comments which outfit you like better and who you think should win. Thanks for watching.